Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the AI Gold Sniper EA, and this one is built for MT5. So I'll walk you through how it looks on the MQL5 marketplace, break down its core features, and then we'll jump into a back test so we can actually see how it behaves in real market conditions. Here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and this is AI Gold Sniper MT5, currently priced at 499 US dollars, developed by Ho Tuan Fang. And from the description, this EA is designed specifically for trading XAUUSD, which is gold. Right away, one thing that stands out is that this EA positions itself as a structured risk controlled system rather than an aggressive recovery or greed based strategy. It emphasizes strict risk management, no martingale, no greed, and focuses on single position precision trading. Another important point is that while it can technically run across different chart time frames, it's recommended to attach it to the H1 time frame, all right, which allows it to process multiple time frame data internally. So this tells me the system is not dependent on just one time frame. It's analyzing a broader market structure behind the scenes. Now let's just break down how this EA actually operates. At its core, AI Gold Sniper is a multi-layered analytical system. So instead of relying on a single indicator or signal, it combines price action behavior, volatility conditions, and multi-time frame structure to make trading decisions. One of the key strengths here is its risk management model. Every trade is protected with a hard stop loss, and that is important because it defines maximum risk per trade clearly. All right. It also prevents uncontrolled drawdown scenarios, but at the same time, using a fixed stop loss means that if the entry timing is not precise, traders can be stopped out more frequently in volatile conditions. Another important feature is the single trade execution approach. So instead of stacking positions like grid systems, this EA focuses on one trade at a time. That means lower exposure at any given moment, cleaner trade structure, but also fewer opportunities to recover from losing trades. So performance depends heavily on entry quality. It also includes smart volatility and time filters. These filters help the EA to avoid high impact news periods, unstable market spikes, low liquidity conditions. This is especially important for gold because XAUUSD can be extremely volatile during news events. And finally, there is the adaptive analytical framework behind the scenes. So the EA is constantly evaluating how price behaves relative to trend and momentum, adjusting its entries accordingly. This adds flexibility, but like any adaptive system, its effectiveness depends on how well it interprets changing market conditions. All right, so now that we understand how the EA is structured, let's move into the strategy tester right away. All right. So for this test, I'm going to be running it on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, which aligns with the recommended setup. I'm testing from the start of the year, 1st January 2026, to get a reasonable sample size. But as always, a longer backtest across different market conditions gives a much more reliable picture than a short sample. All right, let us start the test. So here we go. The EA is active. We can see the first trade has been opened. All right. If we take a look at that trade, you can see how it opened here and closed here, right? The distance isn't even that much. Okay, you notice how it entered after a clear directional move. This suggests the EA is aligning with the trend-based setup, likely combining momentum with higher time frame confirmation. Let's continue. All right. So you will notice that the trades being executed are executed alongside a defined stop loss. All right. So it confirms that the EA is using fixed risk per trade, not adjusting positions dynamically like grid systems. Okay. You would also notice that we are not seeing multiple positions opening. So this also confirms the EA is strictly following a single entry execution model, which keeps exposure controlled. All right. Okay, you will see that price is moving. You will see that there are several occasions price has been moving, but the EA doesn't just enter random trades, right? So it shows that it's not trading frequently, it's being selective with the trades. Okay, so overall, what we are seeing here is a trend following precision based trading system with strict risk control. It performs best when the market has clear directional movement, when trends are stable and sustained, and volatility is structured, not chaotic, and it struggles when the market is choppy or range bound, when price lacks clear direction or volatility becomes unpredictable, right? Because in those conditions, even well filtered entries can get stopped out more frequently. All right. So looking at the results from this back test, we're going to just skip to the end so that we can look at the results. Okay. Okay, so we have the results now, and based on what we can see here, this is not looking good because initial deposit was 3,000 US dollars and the net profit is minus 2,992.41. So the account almost got blown. In fact, well, probably the account got blown because what is left is less than $8. And we had 29 total trades. Short trades were 800% won. Long trades were 21, 95.24% won. This tells me that the problem is poor risk management because a large percentage of the total trades taken were won. Now, out of the few trades that were losing trades, you will see that the average loss was $16,663, while the average profit was just $488. So I think the problem with this system is the risk management. Very poor risk management, if I'm to say. Okay. However, this is just historical performance, right? Over the period of about 3 weeks and 3 months. So just to be clear, these are historical backtest results, not forward predictions. Performance will always depend on risk settings, lot size, market conditions, and broker execution. So even with optimized default settings, it's always important to test and adjust based on your own trading environment, right? So overall, AI Gold Sniper is a structured, risk controlled trading system focused on precision rather than frequency. What stands out is strong emphasis on risk management, clean single trade execution, and selective entry filtering. But at the same time, It depends heavily on market conditions and requires good timing to perform consistently. So, this is the kind of EA that works best with proper testing, a good execution environment, and realistic expectations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.